Number 3. What's a force?
A force is an influence from the outside on objects that can affect their momentum, magnitude, or both. Or maybe not momentum.
A force is any influence that can change the momentum of an object, either its magnitude, its direction, or both. Number 4. State Newton's first law of motion.
Okay. An object that is at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. And an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force.
Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion will remain with constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. If the velocity is 0, the object will stay at rest.
Yes.
Number 5. What equation sums up Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. Number 6. What is the unit of force?
A unit of force is called a Newton.
The unit of force is the Newton, which equals 1 kilogram meter over seconds squared. Number 7. What is weight?
Weight is gravity times the mass of an object.
Yes.
Weight is the force of gravity acting on an object's mass, so weight equals mass times the acceleration due to gravity. Number 8. How do you describe an object when the sum of all forces acting on it equals 0?
It is, I think it's equilibrium.
The object is at equilibrium. Number 9. If a 9 kilogram object is hanging from a rope, what is the tension of the rope?
9 kilograms.
Since the object is not moving, it's in equilibrium, so the tension of the rope equals the weight of the object. Weight equals mass times the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9 kilograms times
Yeah, you have to
9.8
times the
meters per second
acceleration,
squared.
gravity.
Multiplying this out, we get a weight of 88.2 newtons, which also equals the tension in the rope.
Number 10. State Newton's third law of motion.
If an object acts on another object, that object will act on it with equal force.
Opposite equal force.
Opposite equal force.
Newton's third law of motion states that when an object exerts a force
Yes.
on another object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. That's the end of quiz 4. Let's check in
Very
and see
good.
what's next.
You get like a 5
I
questions?
think Newton was one.